Golden Jubilee celebration of the Department of Instrumentation and Electronic Engineering is on, and I invite the students ex and present to take active participation, to become proactive and interact with each other to make it a grand success. This department was established in 1966. The first session started on 1st of July 1966 with a single teacher, which is myself, and without any room to sit on, without any classroom and without anything. And after that, Electronics Engineering Department, head of the department, he was also the Dean, Academic Dean at that time. He told that it is attached to the Electronics Engineering Department, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department, and he asked one of the technical assistants that this fellow has joined as a teacher, give him a tool on the corridor and let him sit there. So that way the department started. Anyway, I was given a room. A room means a space in the library of the departmental library of the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. A compartment was made by a wooden box and I was sitting there. And they gave us 2 rooms for taking classes. The first class that I took was in Applied Electronics. That time the syllabus was completely different. Nowadays the syllabus is also different, as you can understand. As days advances, it changes. Applied Electronics class, and I can tell you that Applied Electronics, in electronics itself I failed. I got only 12 marks out of 50 when I passed myself in my university degree, and that was the class I had to take at the first time. Anyway, this is just to give you the students ex and present who are expected to participate in this Golden Jubilee celebration, how we started a department without anything. It started from scratch and with all opposition from different parties. Shall have this discussion later on some other portal, but at the present moment it is only to advise you that this is a celebration which everyone should be proud of. I myself am 78 years old now. I didn't think that I will live that long to live this Golden Jubilee celebration, but anyway, when I am present here and I have been given the opportunity to tell all people around, it is not only for the students, it is also for other people, for the faculty, for the staff and any other people who are associated with this department for a long time. Many people are there who are, without being students and staff and faculty, many people are associated in different ways. For example, even the contractor who make this table and other things, they are also part and parcel of this university. So all of them are cordially invited to join this celebration and enjoy.